15 jobs you can perform at home or anywhere else. 1. A member of the customer care or member services team. One of the simplest work-from-home careers is customer care or service, which involves answering clients' queries, resolving their issues, and assisting them with orders over the phone or online. Most entry-level sales representatives make around $12 per hour, whereas more experienced sales representatives make, on average, $15.50 per hour or $14 per hour. These jobs lack the flexibility of other work-from-home opportunities, though. For instance, if your shift is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you must be available at all times. 2. Website testers. Evaluate websites and web apps on various platforms, such as PCs, laptops, and mobile devices, for quality and usability. Mobile technology. Visitors to a website or user of an app perform a few tasks, then discuss their findings. They provide frank criticism on the content's usability, intelligibility, and degree of engagement. $25 is the typical hourly wage. You can register with a number of websites, such as User Testing, Userlytics, and Startup Lift, to find job. 3. An online teacher. Online educators deliver education in certain subjects, create lesson plans, and keep track of student progress similarly to traditional teachers. Anyone with a teaching degree and a particular talent, such as proficiency in a foreign language, is ideal for this post. You'll conduct a class using a web-based tool like Google Meet or Zoom. Not just kindergarten through 12th grade, but also college and continuing education. All subject areas are included in the positions. For one-on-one instruction, you might earn up to $100 to $200 per hour, while most jobs pay around $25 per hour. 4. Virtual helper. Virtual assistants may handle any task, including planning appointments and doing research. Some professions are purely administrative, maintaining schedules and calendars and billing clients, while others are more creative. Require knowledge of managing social media and copywriting. The hourly salary for these jobs ranges from $15 on average to $20 for applicants with experience in social media, public relations, writing, and editing. The majority of virtual assistants collaborate directly with multiple clients at once. 5. Captioner. Captioners transcribe audio and video that has already been recorded, therefore being able to type swiftly and precisely is crucial for the position. Although many of those who do this have also worked as court reporters and use a stenotype machine with a phonetic keyboard and specialized software to assure accuracy, you can also sign up to caption live television broadcasts. On average, captioners make $14 per hour. You can register with organizations like Reverend and Upwork. Alternatively, you can search for positions at certain businesses like Caption Media Group or Caption Max. 6. A transcriber. Voice recordings are listened to by transcriptionists who then turn them into written documents. Transcriptionists are employed by legal firms and medical practices to write down doctors' and lawyers' dictations. Most businesses demand that applicants have a working knowledge of either legalese or medical jargon. While more seasoned transcriptionists frequently earn about $20 per hour, beginning transcriptionists typically make around $13 per hour. 7. SEO professional. An SEO, search engine optimization, specialist examines, evaluates, and makes modifications to websites in order to increase traffic and raise the site's ranking on search engines. Most positions require familiarity with industry SEO and at least 1 year of experience. Tools and methods like Google Analytics, as well as website creation tools like Squarespace. The average SEO expert makes between $13 and $27 per hour. 8. Online counselor. Real-time mental health care is offered by online therapists using electronic channels like video conferencing, phone calls, and text messages. To practice online, you'll need to have a master's degree in psychology or social work and an unrestricted license, so there is an upfront cost. However, there is a rising need for telehealth services that link patients and medical professionals. Most online counselors earn between $18 and $40 per hour. 9. The editor. A proofreader makes ensuring that written material is error-free in terms of grammar, spelling, punctuation, and layout. If you are meticulous and knowledgeable about the AP Stylebook and the Chicago, you may earn an average of $18 per hour proofreading for textbook authors, websites, public relations companies, and advertising agencies using the Manual of Style. If you fulfill the deadline for proofreading the manuscript, this task is quite flexible and may be done on your own schedule. 10. The respondent. Many businesses will pay you to complete surveys and share your frank thoughts on media such as video games, movies, consumer goods, and general interest topics. Per completed survey, you might earn anywhere between $1 and $20. You can register with a number of research firms, including 2020 Research, to participate in surveys. 11. Traveling notary. A notary public certifies the correct execution of papers, such as real estate contracts, on behalf of the state. You may earn an average of $18 per hour proofreading for textbook authors, websites, public relations companies, and advertising agencies using the Manual of Style. If you fulfill the deadline for proofreading the manuscript, this task is quite flexible and may be done on your own schedule. 10. The respondent. Many businesses will pay you to complete surveys and share your frank thoughts on media such as video games, movies, consumer goods, and general interest topics. Per completed survey, you might earn anywhere between $1 and $20. You can register with a number of research firms, including 2020 Research, to participate in surveys. 11. mobile notary and notary public certifies the correct completion of papers including real estate transactions, powers of attorney, and prenuptial agreements on behalf of the state. You can get certified, bonded, and insured as a mobile notary if you already hold a public notarial certificate. You may offer to meet them at their workplace, a hospital, or some other place if you don't feel comfortable letting strangers into your home. Although it often ranges from roughly $10 to $24, the hourly wage is $15 on average. 12. An online bookkeeper. By contracting directly with a local business or joining an organization like Bookminders, you can quickly find a virtual bookkeeping position if you have experience billing clients, processing payroll, and managing accounts. Many positions call for a bachelor's degree in accounting and working knowledge of QuickBooks. The majority of online bookkeeping jobs offer hourly wages between $16 and $21. 13. Medical coder. You will be expected to accurately read a patient's medical record, analyze it, identify the patient's diagnoses, and then classify the diagnoses and medical procedures in accordance with a national classification system that enables doctors to submit medical claims to insurers. This position will require you to become a certified professional coder. The typical hourly wage is around $18.50. You can make a direct contract with a local. In order to obtain employment, contact a doctor's office, the American Association of Professional Coders, or the American Health Information Management Association. 14. Marketing advisor. You can assist businesses in organizing campaigns using SEO, email marketing, social media, and more if you have experience in digital marketing or branding. For the majority of jobs, pay ranges from roughly $14 to $102 per hour, depending on expertise and a marketer's track record. 15. Webmaster. More tech organizations are converting office jobs to flexible or remote positions. You might search for full-time job advertisements that provide flexible or remote working hours if you have a bachelor's degree in computer science or a similar discipline, have successfully completed a bootcamp program, or have other comparable programming expertise. Sites for distant work. The hourly wage ranges from $12 to $44.